Dear students, today I am going to discuss one trigonometric identities. The question is, if 10 sine to the power 4 theta plus 15 cos to the power 4 theta equals to 6, find the value of 27 cosec to the power 6 theta plus 8 sec to the power 6 theta. The solution is, since 10 sine to the power 4 theta plus 15 cos to the power 4 theta equals to 6. So this 6 can be written as 6 into 1. 6 into 1 can be written as 6 into 1 to the whole square. And you know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So in place of this one, we will write sine square theta plus cos square theta to the whole square. So the next step is 10 into sine to the power 4 theta plus 15 cos to the power 4 theta equals to 6 into sine square theta plus cos square theta to the whole square. Now dividing both sides by cos to the power 4 theta, we get 10 sine to the power 4 theta plus by cos to the power 4 theta plus 15 cos to the power 4 theta by cos to the power 4 theta. These both are cancelled, and here 6 into sine square theta by cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta to the whole square. And here, cos to the power 4 theta, I have written that we are dividing both sides. So here, since it is inside the square root, it is inside the square, that's why here I have written cos square theta, because its square is there, so it will be obviously cos to the power 4 theta. And then here these both are cancelled, then we get 1 here, and this will be sin square theta by cos square theta will be 10, because sin theta by cos theta is 10 theta. Now here this will be 10 to the power 4 theta, so 10 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus this both are cancelled, so it is 1, so 15 into 1 is 15 equals to 6 into 10 square theta plus 1 to the whole square. And now a plus b to the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that's why this will be split into this form, and then we get 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus 15 equals to 6 into, and this becomes 10 to the power 4 theta plus 1 plus 2 10 square theta into 1. This implies 10 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus 15 equals to, now we remove the bracket and we get here 6 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus 6 plus 12 10 square theta. Now all these terms, three terms, are brought to left side, and here in the right side nothing is left, that means 0 is left. And then we get here 10 into 10 to the power 4 theta minus 6 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus 15 minus 6 minus 12 10 square theta equals to 0. Now this is subtracted and we get here 4 into 10 to the power 4 theta plus 9 minus 12 into 10 square theta equals to 0. And now you know that a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to a minus b to the whole square. And so this can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 4 theta can be written as 2 into 10 square theta to the whole square plus 9 can be written as 3 to the whole square minus, and this will be written in 2 into a into b form. So 2 into a is 2 10 square theta and b is theta. 3. So 2 into 2 10 square theta into 3 equals to 0. And now this can be written as in the square form 2 10 square theta minus 3 to the whole square equals to 0. And you know that when this square is removed, then it will be a square root of 0, and a square root of 0 is 0. And that's why this 3 is coming to right side, and it becomes 2 10 square theta equals to 0 plus 3, that is 3. And then 10 square theta equals to 3 by 2. Okay, and now we will put this value in the given expression that we have to find out. We have to find out 27 cosec to the power 6 theta plus 8 sec to the power 6 theta. Yes, that is equals to. So this you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, and therefore cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, and so this cosec to the power 6 theta can be written as cosec square theta to the power 3. Sec to the power 6 theta can be written as sec square theta to the power 3. And so this expression becomes 27 into cosec square theta to the power 3 plus, and this will be written as 8 into sec square theta to the power 3. And then sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, and therefore sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So here in place of cosec square theta, we are writing 1 plus cot square theta to the whole square. So 27 into this so much plus. In the same way, here in place of sec square theta, we are writing 1 plus tan square theta. So it becomes 8 into 1 plus tan square theta to the power 3. And you know that cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, and tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta value we know that is 3 by 2. Yes, that means tan square theta is 3 by 2. So obviously cot square theta will be 2 by 3. It will be reciprocal. And so this becomes 27 into 1 plus 2 by 3 to the power 3 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 by 2 to the power 3. And then we find LCM 3, when the 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. So 27 into 5 by 3 to the power 3 plus here also 2 and 2 plus 3, that is 5 by 2. And so 8 into 5 by 2 to the power 3. So it becomes 27 into, this is 125 by 27, 27 is cancelled. Here 8 into 125 by 8, 8 cancelled. And then we are left with 125 plus 125, that is equals to 250. This is our answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.